I'm Karen, and tonight we're going to make beef stew for dinner. It's one of my freezer meals that was previously frozen for my Instant Pot. I freeze mine in a Ziploc bag, but you can freeze it in a plastic container that you can then fit into your pot, so make sure it's the right size. What I've done is gone ahead and turn it on saute mode so that it can heat up. You don't want to do it on the lowest mode because it won't get hot enough. But you can do it on normal or on high. And we're going to put our food in there and let it saute for about 5 minutes. It should say hot when it's ready. But you need to get a cup of liquid, so it has to defrost it quite a bit. If it does not, we have a backup plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put mine in just a little bit early before it does say hot, so maybe it'll start defrosting a little bit early. But you need to saute for at least 5 minutes. So I'm gonna pause and I will come back to the video in just a few minutes after we've sauteed some, and I'll be right back. So we've sauteed for 5 minutes and I've almost got a cup of liquid in the bottom, so I only have to compensate just a little bit. I could let it saute a little bit longer, but I think my family might riot if we don't eat soon. So I'm going to take just a tiny bit of beef broth. I did pour out a half a cup into this, but I think I'll probably only use a quarter cup of it, and just add it. You know, adding a little extra is not gonna hurt. So I put that in there. That ensures we have at least 1 cup of liquid. You have to have that or your pot's not gonna come to pressure. So then I'm gonna go ahead and close up the pot. Make sure that my vent is sealed. I'm gonna use manual and high pressure for 35 minutes. When it finishes, you're gonna do a natural release for at least 5 minutes. And that is all. When it's finished, I will show you what the result is. Okay, so our 35 minutes is over and we did a 5 minutes of natural release, and now I'm doing a quick release of whatever was left. And it should be about finished, and we're gonna see what is in our pot. Wait until your pin drops. Make sure you do that before you try and open your pot. Just has a lot in there. There we go. You can turn it and open it up. This recipe did have a bay leaf in it, so you will have to look for it to remove it before you serve it. There we go. We have a piping hot bowl of beef stew. So I hope you enjoy your beef stew, and I will post the recipe in the link below.